What's going on, everybody? One Low Magma here. I'm at Garage Gurus. They did the awesome job helping me out. We've got this baby lowered on DJM suspension, 3.6 drop. It looks nice, but I'm having that same F150 problem some of you guys are having. The F150s, after you do an alignment, the lower control arms like to slip out of that spot down at the bottom. I've aligned this truck 3 times already. It keeps slipping. Corner of the freaking alignment pops out when I turn into that target. So we're gonna fix it with Mog's K1070. It's the simplest thing you could buy for your truck. Basically, you're gonna swap out, here it is right here, K170. You're gonna swap out your original nut for this bracket, and I'm gonna show it all to you guys under the truck. We'll put this all together, show you how easy it is to swap that out, and then once you do your alignment, you're set. And this is good for lower guys, lifted guys. If you're going off-roading, once you put this down, it sets it. The other good thing is that because they're both concentric on the front and the back, you'll be able to do camber and caster, and I'm gonna show you all that now. All right, guys, so we're back. Like I said, we got the truck up in the air, got everything nice and safe. We're here at Garage Gurus. Here's your factory area. Here you can see the issue. You can see how the factory screw just wants to slide back and forth. So your frame is gonna have a little hole, and that's where the Moog K1070 comes in. It's gonna replace this one nut. You're gonna leave your stock bolt in there, and you're gonna replace your nut with this new nut and bracket. As you can see, the bracket has a nub on it. That nub is gonna enter that hole, and it's gonna sit in there flush. And now that's gonna give us adjustment, both allowing us to adjust it, and also once it's nice and tight, that locks this bolt into place. So that sliding won't happen anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that now. It's as simple as just removing your stock nut. We're gonna put this back on. I'm gonna show you what that looks like right after. Here you go. Now we've replaced the factory nut. We got our bracket in there. It's nice and flat. No drilling, no screwing, no oblonging the hole. You don't have to do any of that. This hole is literally the same size once it's on there. This is gonna give you plenty of adjustment to go in and out. Out for you lifted guys, in for you lowered guys. I'm just gonna hold it as steady as I can. That's it. Come time to alignment, now I can adjust it this way, adjust it that way, and you can see when it moves back and forth, it's gonna have movement. Plus minus at the front, plus minus at the back. You need 2 of these kits.